severe thunderstorm warning message. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oak County, North Central York County,
I gotta go
at 6:15 p.m.
Okay.
At 5:24 p.m. National
I'll talk to
Weather
you tomorrow.
Service Doppler
Okay.
radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Polk, or 14 miles northwest of York, and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. A second intense storm was located about 5 miles northwest of Shelby and was also moving north at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Stromsburg, Osceola, and Shelby. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Polk, and York.